Finally got city water. They were so happy to be done with that pump. They tore up the handle, put it in a casket, had a funeral procession, complete with horse and marching band, burying the pump handle on the outskirts of town, and then unmarked grave. Candy, candy, candy on the right, Candy Emporium on the left for old-fashioned and homemade candies. Mulberry Cottage on the left features vintage ladies apparel and floral arrangements. More bare feet too, so many socks they needed a second stop. The white building on the right corner has been home to the Hobnob Corner restaurant for about 40 years. Prior to that, it was Miller's Pharmacy for several generations. Complete with the old soda fountain, folks have come from all over the county for a cherry coke and county gossip. On my left, that sandwich place open for breakfast and lunch. Every day but Monday, the owner's good friend of Bobby Knight. You'll find IU and Texas Tech memorabilia there. Homemade Fudge on my left is the National Candy Store inside the Heritage Mall Town. Back right, Fine Ladies Apparel at 58 South, followed by the Jack and Jill Pet Shop with its own roaster on the premises. Immediately left out of the ordinary restaurant and sports bar, live entertainment.
He said, is there smoke going to come out?
That is Rhonda Case. She's a local jewel with a culture crap there.
The culture.
The town was originally named Jacksonburg in the 1830s. By the 1860s, it was discovered there were two Jacksonburgs in Indiana. Since the town manager at the time was originally from Tennessee, they renamed this town Nashville. To my far right, the Deli Grind, serving food and gourmet coffee since 1975. Behind the shop to my left, just your photo, where you can dress up in old-time costumes and get your good photo taken. Watch the big fudge at the National Fudge Kitchen. The t-shirt shop on the corner lets you design your own shirts. Around the corner, Lawrence Leather and boutique portable fashions and accessories. Down Coach Lake Square, the TV shop serving soups and meats at the far end Cosville Soul Mix and Family Restaurant. Far right, the yellow building with the green tin roof is home to the Fourth and Sister Vintage Shop for one-of-a-kind and repurposed items. You've got a coupon for a free gift book. About a mile ahead on the right, the Green Valley Motor Lot is locally owned and operated in stands next to the vacant lot with the Little Nashville Opry Strip for many years. Operating down about 5 years ago. 4 miles that away, Mike Creasy and Dan's Barn. You have to find Dan and Paul and Dan's lessons during the week. Find entertainment on the weekend.
You what?
The Nashville Express stops
We turned.
at 4 hotels along the route. Hotel guests can purchase discount tickets, ride to town for shopping. First one here is the Brown County Inn, which has an indoor swimming pool, a full dining hall, and home to the Corn Crib Lounge, where you can get live entertainment on the weekend. This is the site of the original sawmill that built the lumber for Jacksonburg and Nashville. There was a bit of a controversy here in the mid-1800s. At one point, the used bottle sawdust caught on fire. The men put it out, calling it spontaneous combustion. Then met at the local saloon and discussed their efforts. That news became gossip as the sawdust reignited every month or two for a period of nearly 2 years. Fire, the men calling spontaneous combustion while meeting at the local saloon.
Not here.
With each fire, the locals grew more suspicious of this spontaneous combustion theory. Some even accused the wives of setting the fires just to get their men out of the house. Eventually the fires did quit, so did the gossip, as there never was any harm done to the actual sawmill. Miles ahead, Brown County Tire and Auto for all your automotive repair needs. If you're looking for antiques, about 4 miles ahead is Brown County Antique Mall, several at your leisure. To get even further away from it all, follow 135 south to the tiny village of Story, Indiana. They've taken an old general store, converted it to an inn with a full bar and restaurant. Story, Indiana, in the same inconvenient location since the 1860s. On your way to Story, you'll pass the Rawhide Ranch where you'll find zip lines, horseback riding, camp out overnight, and SUV. Just before you make the right turn to Story, off to the left on this road, you'll see Unis a Button Spa and Salon. They'll even come to you or your private event. And Brown County now has its first legal moonshine still. Follow this road ahead to the town of Congo, which provides pointing to the Bear Wallow Distillery. Sample their hidden holler moonshine as well as their rye whiskey. The Salt Creek Inn boasts the best rates in town. They also have several pet-friendly rooms. Ahead to the left of the inn, you'll see the Pine Room Tavern, a great place to meet for food, drinks, and live local entertainment. Also currently home to the Money Boots Cafe, which was on the north side of town for many, many years. There's a creek at the foot of the hills directly in front of us. It is Salt Creek.
What's the train say?
The creek itself was never salty, but when the area was first being settled, people drilled wells along that creek looking for drinking water. That's where they found the salt water. Those wells were salty enough to boil down and processed not only for local use, there was enough to be shipped throughout the region as a fairly productive industry.
Yeah.
Over in Bloomington, there's a large cauldron in the front of their historic center that was used at Salt Creek as part of that salt making process.
There's a pizza king. They must not have signed up to be a vendor. An advertiser.
They are on the coupon sheet.
Are they?
Yes. Yes, they're advertising by